Hey there, welcome to the Success Learner, our YouTube channel dedicated to helping you achieve success. In today's video, we're going to show you how to start your very own YouTube channel. So let's jump right in. Head over to youtube.com and look for the Sign In button in the upper right hand corner. Click on it. If you don't have any Google accounts or a Gmail address, don't worry, you will not see any accounts listed there. Instead, you'll find options like use another account or create an account. Now, you can easily create an account by clicking on Create Account. Choose either the For My Personal Use or the For Work or My Business. I will be choosing the personal use option, even though the business option does have more benefits if you are starting a brand. Fill in the details, including your name, surname, date of birth and gender. Once you are done, click Next and click on the Create an Email Instead option. This will allow you to create a username of your liking. Then create a password. And confirm your mobile phone number. For this, a code will get sent to your phone. You can choose to add a recovery email, but for this video we will skip it. Next, add your number, then click on Skip. As you can see, you can review your account info, and then choose your preferred personalization settings. Read through the settings and the terms and conditions, then click I agree. Now you can see that your account has been logged into. To start your channel, click on New Profile Picture and click on Create a Channel. From here you can personalize your account. By changing the name or adding a profile picture. After you finish, click on Create Channel, where you will be redirected to your channel. Now you can upload a video or do some more channel customizing by adding a banner. Great! You have officially started your adventure of being a YouTuber. Thank you for watching this video, and look out for many more to come.